Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel. I will also link you to the recipe, so if you're not following WW, you can get any of the nutritional facts that you need there. So in this week's video, I'm going to have a Sam's Club haul, a Walmart grocery pickup, and then my meal plan. I'm actually going to be filming on different days. So today I'm going to do a Sam's Club haul. My husband actually went and picked this one up for me. So let me share with you what we got. We usually stock up on our paper products probably like every 3 months. And it's a good thing because it seems like everybody's going crazy again and buying out the toilet paper for some reason. So we got some paper plates. He got some toilet paper, which we usually use Quilted Northern, but they had like nothing. Like he said, there was literally maybe like 12 of these left. Everybody's just flipping out again. Like, I don't know, I guess we're gonna run out of toilet paper again. So we needed it anyway, so we went ahead and got that. And then we got these bowls. We usually get the paper bowls, but they didn't have any, so we got these ones, the styrofoam. And also got some Bounty paper towels and some Diet Coke, some Cabot cheese, Canadian bacon. The Cabot cheese is 4 points for 1 ounce. The Canadian bacon, you can have 4 slices for 1 point. We also got some chicken, just some whole chicken, a couple whole chickens. They had like, you get the 2-pack for like $10. It's like 92 cents a pound. And also these, he picked these up just because he knows I love pretzels. These are twisted pretzel sticks, and these are so good. They are seasoned with onion, garlic, and pepper. So good. And you can have 1 ounce or 28 grams for 3 points, which comes out to about 15 sticks. So let me show you the size of one. So there's the size in my hand. So they're pretty decent size. So you can have 15 of those for 3 points. And then we got some, these are the pickles my husband likes. They're like, they have a bunch of garlic in the bottom. Also beef roast. We got these. These are what I usually make for pot roast. And a big thing of water. And the total spent at Sam's Club was $160. So now once I get the Walmart grocery pickup, I'll show you what I got from there. So it is the next day and now I have my Walmart grocery haul. I did Walmart grocery pickup, and I left the stuff out from yesterday from Sam's Club because I wanted to talk to you for a minute about this bathroom tissue. So I am usually one who does not use generic bathroom tissue. Usually bathroom tissue and paper towels we get name brand because it's just, I don't like the paper thin toilet paper. But this was all they had, so this is what my husband got. But I've actually heard some good things about this kind, and let me tell you, this is going to be the only kind we ever buy from now on. So usually we use Quilted Northern, we used to use Cottonelle, and we actually used to use Charmin a long time ago. So if you normally use one of those three, definitely try this kind. It's thick, it's not paper thin, it's soft. I mean, you can pretty much see, like me denting my thumb in it, so you can pretty much tell that that's not paper thin. So this is what we will always get, and you get 45 large rolls for $20. So definitely, we are definitely going to be using that from now on. So if you have a Sam's Club, check that kind out. Alright, so now on to the Walmart grocery pickup. This grocery haul from Walmart was $53, but I actually only had to pay $35, and I will share with you how I did that, and I'll share with you how you can do exactly the same thing in just a minute. So we got some Thomas's English muffins, and I didn't write the points on these because I pretty much know what these ones are. Thomas's English muffins, these are 3 points for this kind. It's the high fiber kind. Some of the Purdue Harvest Land fresh chicken breasts. I really like this kind because they're individually wrapped, and these kind have the no antibiotics. So I really like those. I used to get the regular chicken breasts, you know, like Great Value or Aldi, but I really don't like how plump they've gotten lately. It kind of worries me about what's in them, so I've been getting those. This is my husband's horseradish sauce. This is pretty high in points. It's like 1 point for 1 teaspoon. I got a couple of things of our ready rice that we like. 3 points for a half a cup on that kind. Picked up some more Chex Mix for my husband. I'm trying to make this these groceries last until after Thanksgiving because I won't be doing a haul next week. So his Chex Mix is 4 points for 28. Wait, what is that? I think it's half a cup. Yeah, 4 points for half a cup of that. I got a Butterball turkey. So I have a turkey for Thanksgiving, but I got this turkey breast. This is just a regular boneless turkey breast. It's a 3 pound. It's frozen, and I'll explain to you in a minute why I got that. I also got some green beans and some roasted garlic mashed potatoes. These, I think these are 4 points for a serving, which is half a cup. If I'm wrong, I'll put it down on the screen. I'm pretty sure they're 4 points. I also got some more of the creamer that we use, but as you can see, I got the regular kind, not the sugar-free, so I'll probably give that to my mother. I don't even know what the points are on that. I didn't even scan it. And I got a thing of cranberry sauce and a thing of cream of mushroom soup. I'm actually going to put those just in a pantry for a food drive that we're doing at work. And also some oven roasted chicken breast, some bananas. I got some of the Sara Lee Delightful bread. This is actually called keto bread. They call it keto bread. This is 2 points for 2 slices. This is the white kind, but made with whole grain, so I'm going to try that kind. And then also, not from Walmart, but we got a delivery from Amazon for our Keurig Dunkin' Donuts coffee K-Cups, which we are talking about doing away with K-Cups. I think we might go back to a bun coffee maker so that we can save some money on K-Cups. Alright, I forgot about the orange juice, so I'm going to stick this clip in somewhere. I also got orange juice from Walmart. This is the Trop 50. We pretty much have this in our haul like every 2 weeks. This kind is the 50% less sugar, so it is only 3 points for 1 cup, or you can have half a cup for 1 point. So now let me share with you how I got this for $35. So I got a few things free and some things that had money off. I just recently, a girl at work told me about an app called Ibotta. It's I-B-O-T-T-A. And I got set up for that. It's basically a cashback app for your groceries. So, you know, I just started using Fetch, but this is a different type. And this one, when you sign up, you can get a free Thanksgiving dinner. So basically what I got, I did get some money off of this. This wasn't part of the Thanksgiving dinner, but this was just one that I picked. I got $1.25 off of this. I got 25 cents off the bananas, which these bananas were only 77 cents. So I got 4 bananas for like a little over 50 cents. So the green beans were free. The cream of mushroom soup was free. The cranberry sauce was free. The potatoes were free. The turkey breast was free. I said the green beans. And then the creamer, I know I had some. That wasn't free, but that was one that I picked for some off. So let me just show you my app. I had 11 offers matched. So my earnings today were $18.81. So I earned 50 cents cash back just for uploading a receipt, which it automatically links to the Walmart grocery pickup app. So there is a Chrome extension that you can get if you're doing it on your laptop. There's a Chrome extension that you can get, and you just download that and it hooks right into, like, you link it to your Walmart grocery pickup app. So it is the coolest thing. I was so excited about it. So as you can see, I earned 50 cents on the receipt. I earned 25 cents cash back on the banana, $9.98 cash back on the turkey breast, 50 cents on the creamer, 98 cents on the soup, $1.88 on the potatoes, 50 cents on the English muffins, 98 cents on the cranberry sauce, $1.25 on the chicken, and then the bread, 65 cents off the bread, and $1.34 off the green beans. So the ones that were free because of that Thanksgiving deal were the green beans, the ones I showed you, but like the Purdue, the bread, and what else? The creamer. Those were just in a different category. I just picked those to get money off of those. So I'll put a link down below if you're interested in that. You can go there. It'll be a referral code where I can refer you to it. And I'm not sure how long they have that Thanksgiving deal going on, but And I'm not sure if it's like just for signing up or if you have to actually connect the Chrome extension. I'm not really sure on that, but it should guide you through and tell you what to do in order to get it. So definitely a money saver. I'm really excited to start using that. I'm just really trying to find some new ways to save money. So that I was really excited about that. So now I'm going to move on and show you my meal plan for the week. All right, everyone, would you believe I have another haul to add on to this? Okay, so I had a couple things that I needed to get at Aldi because I didn't have any bacon for my meal plan this week, and I'll show you why I need that. And I ended up getting a bunch of other stuff. So the reason being is next week there's not going to be a grocery haul, and I just want to be prepared for the days after Thanksgiving. So that's why I went ahead and did this now. So let me share with you this haul that I got from Aldi. I did Aldi Instacart delivery, and this was a $72 haul. So I got some olive oil spray, I got some olive oil, and of course olive oil is 4 points for a tablespoon. I picked up some of this wine. This is California Moscato, and the best thing about their wine, they're really good, and they are only like $2.95 for a bottle. And that is, I count it as 4 points for a 6-ounce serving. It's kind of hard to look it up in the app, but that's what I count it. So then I got some grapes. I needed some grapes for the lunches. I got a butternut squash, a couple things of green leaf lettuce. I wanted some butter lettuce, but they didn't have any, so I got green leaf. Some Brussels sprouts. I actually got regular Brussels sprouts that I like to roast this kind, and then these kind just go in the microwave. Some regular iceberg lettuce, some green onions, some broccoli. I got some chicken breakfast sausage. This is the Never Any Country style. This is 1 point per link. I got some tomatoes, some baby carrots, and some regular carrots. So I like regular carrots for recipes, but these I like for snacking. Got some celery, a great big thing of potatoes because I am going to need some potatoes for Thanksgiving. Those you can have 5 ounces for 3 points. I got some center cut bacon. I really wanted the Oscar Mayer fully cooked bacon for the recipes for the lunches that I'm going to be making this week, but they didn't have it, so they replaced it with this. And then I got some boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. These are our favorite kind of frozen chicken. These are 0 on blue and purple. And for green, they're 0 for 3 ounces, or you can have 9 ounces for 1 point. So I got a couple of those. I also got some wild caught Alaskan cod. This is really good cod. And this is 0 on blue and purple. And then for green, you can have 2 ounces for 0 points or 6 ounces for 1 point. And I also got some 2% milk. And this you can have 1 cup for 5 points or half a cup for 3 points. So that's my haul from Aldi. So like I said, $72 Aldi haul, and now I will show you my meal plan. So here is my meal plan for the week. So as you can see, it's going to be a very short one. So from Thursday through Sunday, I have a question mark because I'm sure we'll be having leftovers on Friday. Obviously, Thursday we'll be having Thanksgiving dinner. And of course, that morning we will not eat. So who else does that where you save up and you basically starve yourself in the morning so you can eat more when it's time for dinner? We usually eat about 2, so between morning and 2 I don't usually have too much. And then like I said, Friday we'll probably have leftovers, and Saturday and Sunday I'm just not sure. My daughter will be here for she'll actually be coming in Wednesday night, and then she'll be staying through Sunday, so not really sure what we're going to be doing. So for breakfast prep, I'm planning on doing, it's going to be like cheesecake overnight oats. I haven't completely tweaked them yet, but I'm probably going to be doing cherry cheesecake overnight oats. I'll just top them with some cherries, and my husband doesn't like cherries, so he'll do strawberries on his. And I'm thinking that those are going to be 5 points on blue and green and 1 point on purple. And then I'll be doing my coffee, which is 2 points. I do the Coffee Mate French Vanilla Sugar-Free Creamer, and then 2 Splenda packets, and I have 2 cups every morning. So those will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for that breakfast and my coffee. For lunches this week, I'm going to do a BLT chicken salad. I don't quite have the recipe together for that one yet either, but I should, by the time I get this uploaded, I should have them down in the description box. That, I believe, is going to be 4 points on blue and purple and 5 points on green. So those will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then for dinners this week, I'm going very simple. Monday night, I'm going to do brown sugar salmon with rice and cheesy Brussels sprouts. That brown sugar salmon is actually already marinated that way from Publix. I estimate that to be 2 points on blue and purple and 10 points on green. And then the rice I use is just the 90-second ready rice, and that's 3 points on all programs. If you're on purple and you use brown rice, then that would be 0. And then cheesy Brussels sprouts, I just use the microwave Brussels sprouts from Aldi, and I will top it with Velveeta, like a Velveeta slice. And that'll be 1 point for the cheese. Tuesday night, I'm going to do garlic herb pork tenderloin with potatoes and carrots. That's 9 points on blue, 6 points on purple, and 12 points on green. And then Wednesday night, I had chicken marsala skillet on here, which is 4 on blue and purple, 9 on green. But since we're doing the chicken salad, I don't know that I want chicken again Wednesday night. And honestly, usually the night before Thanksgiving, we might just have a sandwich or something that night. I usually don't like to do any big cooking that night, so I may change that, might end up making that next week or something. And then, like I said, Thanksgiving the rest of the week. All right, I just realized I didn't have my snacks written down. So for snacks this week, I'm going to be doing fruit. I have bananas and berries, and then I'll be doing my pudding for 2 points, and those pretzel sticks that my husband got from Sam's, and those will be 3 points. And that's all I'm planning on doing this week for snacks. So that is my meal plan for the week, and as always, I'll put the link down below if you're interested in these meal plans. I have a meal plan, I have a shopping list, I have to-do list, and recipe cards on my website. So I'll put the link down there, and you can feel free to print them out. They're free. I just put them in these sheet protectors and put them in my binder, which I am working on. I know I've had a lot of requests to show how I do my binder, so I am working on a video for that, hoping to have that come out sometime in December. So I'll be sure to link that down in the description box below. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll talk to you all in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm planning us healthy.